Morning everyone, it's the 18th of September. It's a bit of a miserable rainy day. I'm in the Saab 9.5. I'm going to see my buddy Arch. The car is crammed full of stuff, as you can see. Bit worried about the conditions because we're hoping to work on the E36 Touring today. If you've missed previous episodes, we're in the process of restoring a recently acquired E36 Touring 328i manual. One of the problems we have at the moment is we don't really have a proper space to work on the car. So we are planning something long term, and we'll fill you in about that if and when we can. But I'm over in another little corner of Hampshire, and we're going to go and see the car and hopefully work on it and start ticking off things that need to be done. But yeah, the rain has just started. Let's see how we get on. Terrible weather. Anyway, the last time I saw the E36 was when the clutch broke. That's it, it's literally just died. We pushed it, moved it to another location. We might have to push and move it again. It's been over a month. Now we're not sure what we're going to do about the clutch, when and how we're going to repair it. It's exactly the sort of job we'd like to do eventually in the future when we've upskilled a bit. There's a whole heap of stuff we can do to tart up the E36 and make it feel better instantly. So that's the plan. So if you're ready for an adventure, then keep watching. You're going to start it?
Oh, there is no clutch to push in because it's in.
Hang on. And we get the noise.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, turn it off. We better not run it anymore. Right, let's go through the car then. So, in a bit more detail. Yeah, let's have a look. What we got?
In case you lose your keys. I think it is. You've got some things to stop damp.
Wasn't there a quid? Have you taken the quid?
Hold on. What?
Spare gear knob.
But he's changed it anyway.
Yeah,
whatever.
you see. Well,
Yeah.
are they both M Sport?
That is a BMW tool. What is with the beverage cup holders? I mean, you literally
Useless.
nothing could sit in
Utterly
those.
useless.
That presumably
That goes
lived on there.
Yeah.
So I mean, that looks like an old
Okay.
pair of somethings. These can't be original.
But they're M Performance.
Do you know original?
No, that means the car goes 5 miles an hour faster. Look under the seats.
Some chewing gum.
You got some
Actually,
free
it's
chewing
empty.
gum. Is it empty?
And a
Is
lip
it?
sole. I mean, that's very important.
I'll give you £5 if you use it.
Oh!
Oh!
I mean,
I'd never noticed that for our skis. When we go skiing.
But in an estate car, you don't need that, do you?
When you go skiing. Oh, hang on. More treasures.
No, I had a look in there. Sadly
Nothing?
empty. No.
Oh, what?
Love
the nets. The fish nets.
This is in very good shape.
So you.
Oh, there's another
CD
release. Oh, the
changer.
release button's gone.
CD changer.
Yeah.
Original
So you got any
BMW. What's in it?
No CDs.
Nothing.
No,
Oh.
but that works.
Connected with that, the radio is an original BMW CD radio. Is there any rust? This is where they rust. Should we take it out and look?
It's in pretty good shape, and you've got all
In
sorts
there's the
of.
batteria.
Yeah.
The car came with a bunch of spares, which I've got over here. The box. The box of stuff.
Sorry, I just need a couple of hours.
Oh, hang on. Hopefully the clips will retain it. Yeah. What else we got? So we got here.
Oh God.
No, those are the driving gloves. I want those. I'm going to wear those.
God. Well, I mean, you know.
Never a break. Never.
Oh. Yeah. That's okay. This looks like something really dodgy. Oh.
Oh, the gear knob gator.
Small, you know, little and large.
Genuine BMW badge.
Genuine.
Yeah.
Genuine.
Hang on. Yeah, hang on, son.
Hold on.
Hold on, son. Ah, the eyelet. The eyelet. It's never been used. Hopefully that won't pull the whole bumper off. We're going to rig up the Freelander. Is that actually a towing rope? Shall we use a proper towing rope?
Let's give it a go.
came to a rather unceremonious stop. No, not again. It's going to become a theme. Now he's got the world's tightest knot. look at the rope you used. It's like something to do your laundry. Look at it. Good to see you back. Tipped down with rain last night, so some water got in. Have to investigate that. There is a bit of a trace on the door, so possibly the window just crept through there. So we're going to have a go through the whole car, look at what came with it, and then we're going to start making little improvements to it over the course of this video and see how we get on.
That bit there.
So we're going to fix this. I was suggesting if we have time we could sort this out.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Going to do all of that. We need to do the badges, the number plate. We're going to try out the wheels. Got a ding to sort out. New number plate.
Could have had Road Warriors put on there.
Yeah, true. I think it was like 30 pence extra.
Obviously that's a rather annoying comment now. At this
Yeah,
stage.
quite annoying. Yeah, go on, talk to camera. You've got to talk to camera. Go on, don't be shy. Go on, say hello.
Hello.
What we're going to do is clean the car. Ah! Could you have got a worse bucket, please? Chirpy, 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 chirpy. A little bit grumpy today. It's, we've lost his dogs, but there we go. Oh, it just looks majestic though. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. All right, it's looking better already. Let me have a look.
Yes, have I turned it on? Yes, I worked out the on switch.
Come on, look at that. Hey? Pretty happy with that. It's coming along well. Come up all right, isn't it? Okay, let's stop everything. I think we've got enough. Right, do you remember how it came with a badge? So it came with a badge, but it was the wrong badge. Got a number plate.
There she is.
So number plate, we'll fix that. We've got the two window cowling stuff. And somewhere in here, the correct badge. He says, hopefully.
How much was this bad boy?
This was 29 quid.
What, for one?
And that's the front one, which was 38 quid. Yeah, that's how we rapidly end up spending lots of money. I have done this before. It should be pretty easy to get us started. Let me get the appropriate tools. Oh, well that's good, isn't it? Just came off, so a bit cleaner. This looks like the same thing. Oh, that is going to bring a smile to little grumpy Pacey, isn't it? That's going to cheer him up.
Only if it fits.
You ready, son? Oh, don't tell me it doesn't fit. Get on there. Oh, look at that. Close up, close up. Go in for the close up. Look at that. I think that is
Is
worth.
that actually going to stay on?
I think that is worth it, don't you?
It looks good. Obviously we need to replace the rest of the car now.
Obviously. Come to Papa. Now what we need are the grommets.
That's not popping out, is it?
Not yet, but it will.
Oh dear.
I might need something a little bit more.
He's got to go back to the other end of the car.
I get more stuff. Oh. Now what we need are the little grommets. Now those little grommets are quite important. So we mustn't lose them.
Did you say the word grommets again?
Grommets. All right, where's... Oh, I've got to go and get the badge.
So you could have put it in the bag.
This, in my opinion, doesn't cost that much, really, in the great scheme of things, and makes a real difference if it fits. Check this out. Ready?
What about the grommets?
The grommets are in there.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to say grommets again?
Well, it's just he kept going on about them. Right.
3, 2, 1. Look at that.
That is a belter.
38 quid. I mean, it just looks so good. Got to be worth it. Wouldn't you say, son?
Perfect. Brilliant. It does actually look bloody good.
That is lipstick on a pig. Oh, and that should be good as well. Shall we have a look at that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, son. You're not going to do a pilot hole, eh? Do a pilot hole, just go straight in. I hope you don't split it. Centre punch. Watch out, you're very close to the edge. That is going to look awesome as well. Oh, come on, cloth.
Cloth with your little murdering gloves.
Oh, already. I mean, 21 quid plus 29 quid. You put it on eBay now, it'll sell for 10 grand. Look at that. I think we should have a go at this.
Yeah. So we're missing, we need...
Yeah, I've got some of those. So if you get the Stanley organiser, yeah, and I've got hopefully the right clips. Yes, I believe that is.
In the organiser that you've put at completely the other end of the car. Is that one?
From bitter experience, one of the keys with those organisers is to always lock it up. Okay? Because what will happen is you'll trip over it, or someone will trip over it, and you end up with thousands of bits everywhere.
I think that then just pushes in, doesn't it?
Yeah. Maybe in this episode, maybe another one, we will need to get a paint match and some sort of chip paint. All right, agreed? And this, we need to go see our body shop friend. Can you see it there? Can you see it? And it's packed full of mud, and that's why these rust, is they get full of mud. If you put your hand behind it, you can feel the mud.
And your little gloves.
Put your hand behind it, son. Put your hand behind it.
The gynecologist.
Yes, so gonna be.
God. Oh yes, the mud's in there. Oh, 47 years old. The most I've laughed in 4 years was you farting.
Oh, excuse you were farting as well. Don't act like, oh, I wasn't farting.
No, I never
I heard you doing a...
I'm like the Queen. What do you call a pressure fart?
Oh dear, we did laugh.
Okay.
I've got my murder gloves. Job done. Another one ticked off. Lipstick on a pig. Another job done. And he remembered to close the organiser. Shall we do the cowl? The windscreen cowl?
Yeah.
First we're going to tape. We're going to mark the position of the windscreen wipers. Yeah, good.
We need to clean all that out.
We do. Do you want to just explain what it was for the bulb change?
Right. In and twist.
In and twist.
Oh my god, that's so easy to take now.
Took us about...
Look, I'll just do all of them. There you go.
Yeah, give them a good twizzle. Make sure they're all done. 2 running lights. Job done.
Yeah, no, they're much nicer. Yeah, they're cooler, aren't they? They look a bit sportier.
All right, that's enough for today. We've still got to do some more little bits, but it's an improvement, definitely. All right, that's all for now. Bye.
Come here,
The helicopters don't bash into it.
Okay, that just wasn't quite the way I intended it.
Like kind of having your dad hanging over you.
That's not coming out.
Was this really that toxic?
You can't be too careful. That's annoying, don't do that.
Safety never sleeps.
The front and back easy fixes are done.